I recently found out that my reverse light was blown, so I'm going to show you tonight just how to replace these bulbs. Alright, I have some LED lights that I'm going to be putting in, separating apart from the ones that were in there. So let's go. So this is the RX 350 2011, and they're so kind to set these up in a way which it's easy to come out. You need just a little screwdriver or something just to pop it out. And if you get over here, you'll see it's the lower one that is for the reverse light. All you need to do is just turn it left and pull it out. Alright, so this is the one that we took out, and I'm going to be replacing it with a LED one. It's a little bit longer than the one that came in there. Okay, that's in. So you put it back in and you turn it right. Little cover. Alright, that's in. Let's go over to the other side. Alright, so you can pull it from either side. Not so hard to come out. And again, it's the lower one. And all you're gonna do is just turn it left and pull it out. This is actually the one that's bad. It's in there. Push it up. You turn it right. Let's replace this. And there we have it, replacing our reverse light with a much brighter light than what was on there on the Lexus RX 350. See you next time.